Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this particular video, you are going to see me test out the crease piece, and it looks like this. But I will show you how I did this look, and I'm gonna be honest, I feel like I didn't quite need to spend $20, I believe that it cost, 20 something, but I got suckered in by TikTok. So that's kind of how I now own the crease piece. But if you have seen her videos about the crease piece, you know that she used the spoon method, and then she created this lovely little tool. So I bought it because I'm not the best at doing cut crease, and this actually gave me the versatility to be able to then fill it in without having to like put in concealer or clean up any of the blending I did with my brush, like too much blending. So there are some cons, in my opinion, of this product. So I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of coming apart. It has reusable adhesive, so I can take this off, and then what's supposed to happen is that you're supposed to be able to then put it back like this. Well, you do a much better job, but like this in the center, and then like wrap it around like so. But as you can see, like if you don't continue to do that, it kind of comes a little bit off. And one of the things that I realized is that you have to clean it, you know, or else it will just get all over the place. So I suggest you clean it before taking it off and applying the other side. So it has an adhesive in the back, but you kind of have to like apply something, I feel like, so it doesn't, so the adhesive doesn't get like dirty, which I don't know what to apply it with. It comes with all these other ones, so I think this product is meant to go back into the box. So I'll show you how I'm storing it right now. So just putting them back into the box, and I didn't really clean this side, so just kind of go like that, and then put it right back in here. So it looks like that, and I feel like the best way to store this is with its original box, or else everything is going to get lost and dirty and not attach. The one good thing about this product is they do give you replacement adhesive protectors. So that way you can put the protector on the little kind of shape to keep it from sticking. So I don't know how effective that is, but I've just been keeping it in this so I don't lose it, so it doesn't lose stickiness, you know, all that good stuff. But these are things she doesn't really talk about before you buy it. Like in her tutorials, she kind of just goes in and shows you like this beautiful look that I created, but doesn't really tell you that there's some flaws to it. So if you're super picky with how you store things, if you don't want to keep a box, if you don't want to deal with the adhesive and covering it up and all that good stuff, probably not the product for you. So let's jump right into how I created this look and how I used the crease.
1 0 0 1.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very informative and you can make an informed decision on whether you want to buy the crease piece. So I'll have a link of it down below, and hopefully I will see you all very soon. Have a great day. Bye.